Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you this morning? It is Tuesday, December 19th, 2017. People, take 1 second of your time. This is important. Go to my website, traderschoice.net. There's a link in the description of this video. Have a look at the bond market chart. Massive sell-off right now. And this is putting pressure on the stock market, which is down right now. Let me cover this real quick. At the open, stocks were higher right out of the gate. Subsequently, because of the action in the bond market, I closed my calls on SPY, and Facebook did very well on both of those trades. Congratulations to those of you out here who also got in on those. Right now, I am holding no positions because of what I am seeing here in the bond market. I'm not making a joke here, and I'm not hyping this. But go have a look at that chart. You honestly, your eyeballs they're going to pop out. Massive sell-off. What is that doing? Okay, you should know this. Yields are rising. The U.S. 10-year yield popped up several basis points, and that's putting pressure on stocks. Cause and effect. Cause and effect. It's always the same. So let's sit back here. Let's watch this action and see how it plays out moving forward. I'm very surprised, quite honestly, to see bonds selling off like this. Junk bonds are selling off too. Again, when you see that, when you see junk bonds being sold off, that means the market is smelling something. It doesn't want to take on risk. If you see junk bonds being bid higher, quite the opposite. The market wants to take on risk. These are things you got to look at. I told you, all the idiots out here, they're going to sit there and they're going to look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the S&P 500, and I know that you're not doing that. You're looking at the bond market, you're looking at the junk bonds to make your own decisions, much more educated than those that are just following the stock market. Everything prices off of what happens in the bond market. You know that. Take advantage of this. This little piece of information, again, is worth its weight in gold. It really is. Okay, couple of other things that are going on here, and it's important, at least for those of us who are maybe thinking about cryptocurrency, something I've been covering a lot. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. Now, I have discussed at length how all you need to do is look at the futures and you're going to see where the price of Bitcoin is going to go. And I have had Elmer after Elmer after Elmer tell me how wrong I am. Well, this is exactly what has been occurring. And they can deny it all they want. It's happening right now, as a matter of fact. The futures are being bid lower and Bitcoin is going down. You got it? These people, I mean, look, they're the investors and then they're the fanatics, the Elmers. The Elmers, they're going to make up Bitcoin can't be gamed. Oh, the blockchain is BS. Wake up, okay? Your little baby here is being gamed by the street. Sorry. Here's your wake-up call. And what I've been saying with regard to this is start looking at other coins. All right, and let's just hope that Wall Street doesn't get their hands on that too. This is what they're going to do. It's the same scenario throughout history. Wall Street gets their hands on something and they game it. They game everything. And still, my challenge stands, and no one has been able to counter this. Name me one asset, one, throughout financial history that has not been gamed by Wall Street. I'm going to tell you right now and save you some work. There isn't one. This is the way it is. Anyway, just real quick, let's summarize. Bond market, I don't like what I'm seeing here. Big sell-off this morning. Take a second of your day and go look at that chart. If you've never looked at a chart before, believe me, you're going to go, whoa, what is going on? And that's pressuring stocks. Very interesting. Now think about why this is interesting just real quick. We're getting a sell-off in the bond market. We're getting a sell-off in the stock market. Those are red flags when you see those kinds of things. So I'm just going to sit back here. I would not be surprised to see them get in there and start buying up those bonds because they've been doing it over and over again. So for now, I'm sitting pretty. Pulled my profits today. I'm a very happy guy. But I'm going to watch that bond market, and I know you are as well. you should have right up here on your computer screen, and just watch it. With regard to Bitcoin, the futures are dictating the price. Period. Just like I've been saying since day one. And you saw the trolls here. Wow. The Elmers, man. They're Elmers. All right, Elmers, get with the program here. Start looking. I'm not saying dump Bitcoin or anything like this. I'm saying look to diversify. Bitcoin is not the only crypto game in town. Wake up. All right? Look at Steem. STEEM. I believe in this. Again, I might be biased over there. I got about 40 grand in there that I earned from just posting on Steam it. But I think it's a great platform, and if you just think about why, it's a cryptocurrency that is backed by a social network that is getting bigger every freaking day. I think that says something. It's also very stable and actually could be used as a currency. Bitcoin, no, it's not a currency. It's not stable. So how can it be? What is Bitcoin? It's a I don't know. It's a holder of wealth. I'm not really too sure about that. If it failed at its number one job, where it was supposed to be a medium of exchange, well, you think about that throughout the day and watch that bond market really. All right. With that said, I'll see you all at the end of the day. It's going to be a very interesting summation. Over and out.